to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't, my name is Emily. So happy to have you here. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to keep up with my video uploads. Yeah, so today I am coming to you guys with a new product that I used on my own, and it's my nails, because I haven't been able to really go to a nail salon to get my nails done. So I've just been trying to figure out different products that I can use at home that would give me the nail salon-esque look. It's not perfect because I am not a nail tech, so don't keep me to any of this. But I did try the poly nails. Those are cute, they're good, but it's sticky, and for some reason I think I only used it like twice because the poly gel thingy was way too sticky and got all my other things sticky, and it got my fingers sticky, and it was so hard to just get it off. So I figured out that just wasn't for me, for your girl. So I went and I picked up, I know you guys have probably seen online, they have like Nail Boo. So I saw that and I was gonna order it, except it's gonna take a while to get, and I really wanted to do my nails and look halfway decent to be in my house. Whatever, it makes me feel good. So anyways, I went and got the Color Dip starter kit. So I went out and I got this Color Dip nail color dipping powder, which I felt like it's the same as that Nail Boo that, let me fix my little baby hairs here. That Nail Boo that I've been seeing the ads on. I think it was on Facebook and Instagram. So I went ahead to Ulta, you know, and I grabbed this starter kit. And the starter kit comes with everything you see back here. So you have everything you need to get the nails done. And you have the little foil wraps to take them off when you're ready to take them off. So that's everything that comes in here, and this costs me $34.99, so like $35. And then of course, if you have tax, like we do here in California, then it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. But this video is just to show you guys how quick and easy this is. The video is really short, and it's really that easy the way it is that I'm showing it on there. This starter kit comes with this red color with it already, but I went back and I grabbed this pale pink. It's called Female Phenomenon, and it's a pink one instead of the red one. The lighter the color, the more forgiving. I love the pink. I just decided to do the red just to do something different, or to match my Christmas tree that I still haven't took down yet. Anyway, so yeah, so this is what I'll be demonstrating for you guys, showing you guys how I did my nails with this. And as the video goes, I'll show you guys some tips and tricks throughout it. So thank you guys so much for watching me do my nails again. I have to say that this so far is, I mean, I've only tried 2. But if I had to pick one between the 2, the poly gel and these are definitely easier to do, and they help my nails grow, which they have grown. They were really super short because I had ripped off my acrylic nails. But with this, it almost acts like an acrylic on your nail. The more coats you put, the thicker the nail is. So it's up to you as to how thick you want your nail to look. When I first did it, they came out horribly, like horrible. They looked like they were like this thick, and it was awful. So I from then have gotten a little better. They're not that thick, and they look a little better than the first time. The only thing that I want to stress to you guys that I did say in the video was to make sure that your base coat is thin. Thin. That is going to be the key to getting your nails to look good. And like I said, the more you dip, the thicker they are. And what you need to do afterwards, it's just to file them down and make them the way you like them to be. But yeah, I really love this product. That's the only thing that I could say is you have to practice with it a little bit. This was me doing the video for you guys. This was me doing it like maybe my 3rd time. The lighter colors are more forgiving. So I would say that this is a good go. If you guys don't like to order online, that nail boo, you can go to Ulta and grab this for $35, and it should last you a few sessions. And the dip powders after that are like $9 each, also at Ulta. All right, guys, so I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe and share my video if you think somebody would be interested in learning how to do this to their nails, or just interested to see how this actually works and how it looks. Yeah, and don't forget to hit the like button, and let me know if you guys have used this and what colors you guys have used. And if you guys have used a nail boo, let me know if you guys prefer that over this, or is it like basically the same. All right, guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video.